Yeah. You want me? This is festivals, our culture, we will always. Morning ko 9:25. We reach 25 AM. So we ready for Chain Rizik को हाम्रो गुम्बामा आइपुग्यो गुम्बा प्रवेश भयो ल welcome this is parking and it's khali
we are the first one it's parking
nane ल सेलीहरु हामी कहाँ छौं अहिले गुम्बामा ह्यापी बुद्ध जयन्ती ल सब सेट हुँदैछ beautiful day ल आउनुस् है ल छिटो आउनुस् ल पूजा सुरु भइसक्यो Look at that. Pilihnya lah sekali. Apa? Pilihnya lah. Hilsa lah. Ada kata kanan pun.
Yang ba, sonam ye der nam ye je, peje zambo nam ye je ba, sen nam ye me do je ba, chuye ren ba tun ba, ton nam me do ba me ba, tebe me ba nam la wan bar ka ba, sherab se ji me nam ba. Tom Nong La Zeva Meva, Sumjan Tamji Yutemba, Chanju Semba Nong Yap, Pabi Kansa Nong Yabo, Yangan Lindi Chongje Dujova Nong Yebe, Ishi Padu Meva Baba, Samji Mejeva, Son number Tabaya Nyamba, Kujeta Chomisheba, Kunsumba Mebonda Taki Magova, Zudaki Never Magova, Zumeba Tata Manjeva, Dunga number Trova, Pombo Tale Rabdu number Trova. Kam nam da meden ba, genje nam dan ba, dumba nam shundu che ba, yongsu dawa da le nambar zhawa, sikwa le zhawa, chuwa le gewa, yishi yongsu zoba, deba da ma zheng ba dan tar dan zhuwe sanji chumde de nam yi yishi la deba, nyangen le deba la mene ba, yang da ba ni ji.
That this Dharma Center is for all of us. This is open for all of us. And this was initially founded by Lama Yeshe and Lama Soba Rinpoche. And Lama Soba Rinpoche hails from Tsum region in Nepal, which is very close to the Tamang community. So there is a deeper connection and affinity between Lama Soba Rinpoche and the region that you come from. So therefore, they named this center as Chelisik Institute. So this is an institute for everyone who is interested to learn about Buddha Dharma. So therefore, kindly always think that this center is for all of us, for everybody who is interested to study about Buddha Dharma. So you can visit anytime, and kindly remember that this center is open for everyone who is interested to learn and to kind of delve into the realm of Buddha Dharma.
아니 지카리 로버체트와 지기스 디 나한테 따지 오늘 지 파만이만 지 남바이 되니 미티들은 믹스기다 니 랭게조로 내내치야디 나는 랭게로 통구도 나한테 로추 주사이 정도 강연 지원 지기 이렇게는 배워는 강연 지원 지기를 먼저 강요 말했어 나 강연으로 다 디카이메스.
And I'm the resident teacher here, and kindly consider me as one of your friends, and you all are always welcome here, and it is also my responsibility to receive and to kind of support in whatever possible way I could, and particularly whenever followers of Buddhism visit this center, it is equally my responsibility to welcome them and to kind of support them and contribute to them in whatever possible way I could.
This is the moment that kanji mangbalaya and Karanzo Tangan day of us that in Java Chore, Mentun on the Java Chichin, on the Java Chiadi, Java Chelsea, Tandamare, Penjo, Tandamare, on the Java Chiadi, Namasanji, Church. And in Java Yimadi, Mansanga Sanga Shani, Manga, Penangi, Messi Nangolaya, that you should have Jingi, Namasanji, which you look Chichinga, and it Gishi to you restra, is a Kanakan Shingle and D told me Kansolaya, and Namasanji, which you told a current moderate Chigosunami, and then it is Shakshutu Samala things to use. These are going to move to any Java Church in Karanso to do the penalty on the Jamru Tola Jangan Saddle, the on the Senti Tola Jangan Saddle, then on the Sam of the Mane Janginza, and on the Mani Deshi go said, indeed, Kodochin and on the Jansi Children, Yasa Yadon Karanso Mazanamala, Pingaris, on the Chishoras.
And I'm particularly happy that now we have formed a connection between us, and this connection is not based on some kind of political relationship or a business interaction or something like that. This is purely based on dharmic connection, and we would definitely nurture this connection and relationship in the future as well. And I have spent more than 20 years studying Buddha Dharma, Buddhist philosophy, and graduated as a Geshe. And I would be very happy to share my knowledge and wisdom of Buddha Dharma with you in the future, whenever time and opportunity comes. And if all of you who are interested to learn about any aspects of Buddha Dharma, for instance, one session you might say you want to study about refuge, and another you might want to study about the concepts such as bodhicitta or a six-syllable mantra of Om Mani Padme Hum, or whatever kind of theme that you choose. If time and opportunity permits, I'm willing and happy to contribute in that way.
Community who believe in Buddhism. So we will put some kata and do some candle, and afterwards we have a small gathering for tea as well. If Lama Guru and Ani can join us, that would be very privileged to us. So thank you everyone.
Lighter.
सबैजना ल ह्यापी बुद्ध जयन्ती
ल बोलिहाल्यो यार अब 3टा बाल्नु परिहाल्यो फेरि
किन निमै गर्छ ल
तामाङ कम्युनिटी कोही भइदिए पनि हुन्थ्यो नि जस्तो लागिरहेको थियो कि मलाई
हजुर
अनि त्यसपछि त्यस्तो भइदियो नि जस्तो लागिरहेको थियो अनि तर अनि खुसी लाग्यो अहिले देखेर त्यतिखेर अब कोही पनि थिएन आउँदा यहाँनिर तर केही थिएन लोसार पनि आएको थियो हामी लास्ट इयर केही भएन अझ खुसी लाग्यो भन्छ नि
लोसारको बेलामा हामी पनि आएको थियो आउनु चाहिँ तर अब हाम्रो आफ्नो कम्युनिटी भनेर त आएन इन्डिभिजुअली सबैजना आयो अब चाहिँ हाम्रो अब लोसारको प्रोग्रामहरू एभ्रिथिङ हाम्रो अब जस्तो हामीले के गर्छ अब तेमल जात्रा पनि हुन्छ हुनु चाहिँ अब त्यो भयो भने भयो भएन भने नि तर लोसार बुद्ध जयन्ती चाहिँ हामी एभ्री इयर मनाउने नि त्यो चाहिँ कन्फर्म नै हो
तर मलाई यति तामाङ कम्युनिटी
छ अहिले 230 समथिङ भएको छ अब प्लस एभ्री अब तपाईँहरूले अब कोही चिन्नु भएको छ नि उहाँहरूलाई भन्नुभयो भने यु वान्ट मी टु गो राइट अर लेफ्ट
It should just start tightening up.
दुईचोटी भेटेँ त्यो पनि मैले कहाँ ग्राममा कि कहाँ भेटेँ
यो सब बारेर अनि मिलाउनु पर्छ
दुईजनाको नि हो शनिमा हो कि शनिको
सेलीहरू पुरै यहाँ सब भइरहेछ
तरकारी थोरै भयो यार के हो
तरकारी थोरै भयो उहाँ हाम्रो चौतारी
तरकारी एकदम A1 छ थ्यांक यू चौतारी
यता भन्दै हुनुहुन्थ्यो उहाँले
है हाम्रो सूर्यदाई सबमा हुनुहुन्छ सब कम्युनिटी ग्रोइङ अन है बुद्ध जयन्ती सबैजना हाम्रो सूर्यदाई हाम्रो ब्रदर के तिम्रो सुरज ब्रदरहरू सबजना सेलीहरू सो वी आर सेलिब्रेटिङ लामा पनि हुनुहुन्छ So we're gonna take a group photo as well after a few times. So please, everyone, stay here. Okay, yeah. तपाईहरु पनि खाता लगाउने हो ल so everyone come front please. So let's go. Good. La out. हजुर लिनु उता आनीले दिनुहुन्छ उहाँको हातबाट अनि उहाँलाई दिनु लाइनमा हो यतैबाट हो तपाईँ जानु म मेरो बुढालाई ल
थ्यांक यू
मेरो पनि खेल्नु
यही भिडियोमा छ नि हातमा दिनु न दिनु के हुन्छ लिनु भयो ए ल एभ्रीवन डन ल उता अनिला दिदी ल सो ल ह्यापी बुद्ध जयन्ती ह्यापी बुद्ध
दम मिठो
सेल मिठो
तरकारी त थोरै टेस्ट लिँदाखेरि पनि एकदम दामी
है ल अब सेलहरू सबै टेक अवे सबै बहिनीहरूले है लास्टमा अब सेल चाहिँ अझै भयो मान्छे आउनु भएन धेरै होइन लोसारमै गर्दा ठिक हुन्छ ल सबैजना गुड बाई ल है ल सबैजना गुड बाई ल गुड बाई